Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Voyager Focus 2 to your laptop. We'll cover two main ways to get your headset working seamlessly. First, we'll look at the simple process of pairing via Bluetooth directly with your computer. Then, we'll explore how to utilize the dedicated USB adapter for a stable and reliable connection. This guide will help you achieve clear audio and microphone functionality quickly. To connect using Bluetooth, first make sure your Voyager Focus 2 headset is powered on and in pairing mode. You'll usually hear a voice prompt or see a flashing light. Next, navigate to your laptop's Bluetooth settings. Search for new devices, and when Poly Voyager Focus 2 appears, select it to complete the pairing process. This method offers great flexibility for a wire-free experience. For more direct connection, use the included USB adapter. Simply plug the adapter into any available USB port on your laptop. Then, power on your Voyager Focus 2 headset. The headset and adapter are designed to automatically pair with each other, usually within a few seconds. This provides a robust connection, often preferred for consistent call quality. If you encounter any issues, first check your laptop's sound settings to ensure the Voyager Focus 2 is selected as the input and output device. Sometimes, a simple restart of both your headset and laptop can resolve minor glitches. Remember to keep your headset charged for optimal performance. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below this video. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.